Business law is a legal field that governs the creation, operation, and dissolution of business entities. It is a broad area of law that covers a wide range of issues, including contract law, intellectual property law, employment law, and taxation. In this article, we will discuss some of the key issues in business law and their implications. One of the most important issues in business law is the formation and registration of a business entity. There are several types of business entities, including sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and limited liability companies. Each type of entity has its own legal requirements and benefits, and it is important to choose the right one for your business needs. Contract law is another important area of business law. Contracts are legal agreements between two or more parties that create enforceable obligations. Contracts can be written or verbal, and they can cover a wide range of business transactions, such as the sale of goods or services, employment agreements, and real estate transactions. It is important to understand the legal requirements for creating and enforcing contracts to avoid disputes and protect your business interests. Intellectual property law is another important area of business law that deals with the protection of creative works and inventions. Intellectual property includes copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. Protecting your intellectual property is essential to maintaining a competitive advantage in the marketplace and avoiding infringement by others. Employment law is another area of business law that deals with the legal relationship between employers and employees. Employment law covers a wide range of issues, including hiring and firing, discrimination, harassment, and wage and hour laws. It is important for employers to understand their legal obligations to employees to avoid legal disputes and maintain a productive and positive work environment. Taxation is another important issue in business law. Businesses are subject to a wide range of federal, state, and local taxes, and it is important to understand the legal requirements for compliance. Tax law covers a wide range of issues, including income tax, sales tax, and payroll tax, among others. Failing to comply with tax laws can result in significant legal and financial consequences. Corporate governance is another important issue in business law. Corporate governance refers to the legal framework that governs the operation of corporations. It includes issues related to the management and control of corporations, as well as the rights and obligations of shareholders and directors. Effective corporate governance is essential to ensuring that corporations operate in a responsible and ethical manner and that the interests of all stakeholders are protected. Mergers and acquisitions are another important area of business law that involves the purchase or consolidation of one business by another. Mergers and acquisitions can have significant legal and financial consequences, and it is important to understand the legal requirements for compliance. Mergers and acquisitions can also raise antitrust concerns, and it is important to work with an experienced attorney to navigate the regulatory landscape. Bankruptcy is another important issue in business law. Bankruptcy is a legal process that allows individuals and businesses to discharge or reorganize their debts. Bankruptcy can have significant legal and financial consequences, and it is important to understand the legal requirements for compliance. Bankruptcy can also have implications for contracts, intellectual property, and employment law, among other areas. International business law is another important area of business law that deals with the legal issues related to doing business across national borders. International business law covers issues related to international trade, foreign investment, and cross-border transactions. It is important to understand the legal requirements for compliance in each country where you do business to avoid legal disputes and maintain a positive reputation. In conclusion, business law is a complex and ever-evolving field that covers a wide range of legal issues related to the creation, operation, and dissolution of business entities. It is important to work with an experienced attorney to navigate the legal landscape and protect your business interests. Bye.